Merry Christmas, mga ka-low carber! How are you all? Hope everybody safety and good health. So dahil Christmas and New Year ngayon, ingat po tayo sa kinakain. We can eat what we want but be careful po. We need knowledge po. And don't forget to drink your electrolytes. So nakabili po ako ng Psyllium Has. Nabibili po to sa Lulu. Only 20 dirham. So, 1 teaspoon with 1 glass of water. Yan po. Tapos, nagiging gelatin po siya. And this is the food for our guts. Because this is fiber. And nilagyan ko po siya ng uh, what you call this? Asin, Himalaya salt, 1 teaspoon for 1 liter of water, and 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar for potassium. That is the food for our mitochondria kasi direct tayo sa mitochondria, our cells, our powerhouse, to get our long fasting, healing. Kasi po, pag umiihi po tayo, naglalabas po tayo ng electrolyte. And then, actually, in the morning, I give you a hack. Nagba-black coffee po ako or tea. Yun po ang iniinom ko in the morning. And then, kasi pag nagigising po tayo sa umaga, actually, hindi tayo ganun kagutom kasi nag-umpisa pa lang po yung araw natin at si insulin natin ang pre-prepare niya yung araw natin for the whole day. Example, you are eating in the breakfast, umpisahan po natin sa eggs or bacon or yung mga tirang adobo, nilaga, tinola, it's okay. Basta po, dun po sa mga naka-maintenance, eliminate po natin yung high carbs like bread, pasta, rice para po hindi nag-expect. Kasi marami pong hack actually. Like, katulad niyan, nag-lunch po ako kaganina ng 3 PM. So, mayroon pong nagpadala yung amo ko ng adobong manok and then rice. So, dahil mayroon akong tira kahapon na sinigang na isdang may raming gulay, inumpisahan ko po sa vegetable muna. Yun, tsaka yung brown broth nung aking gulay. Kasi sinigang na yun na isda. So, kinain ko muna yun dahil wala akong mahanap na probiotic first. So, any pickles or kimchi, yun talagang kinain. Hindi nyo ba alam, napapansin, we are in the Asian natin from Korea and Japan. They are starting the food with the probiotic, the kimchi in Japan or Korea. Kasi po pagkain po yun ni Cats. So, katulad nito ni Psyllium Has, pagkain yan ni guts natin, we have a trillion of bacteria on the body at pagkain nila na magsasign po sila sa brain, hello brain, busog pa kami dito, don't worry. Kaya hindi ka makaka-feel ng, sa mga nag-start po ng low carb, we need to understand po na kaya natin basahin yung ating body language kasi nagsasign po sila. And it helps po na we study low carb, we are 7 dimensional and we are AI now and we need to understand this. And that's why marami na pong nagtuturong mga doktor about low carb and nutrition, how to heal our body naturally, safety, and balance. Because our body, they want balance, they want correct appetite and strength and power. So, we need to know our macronutrient. Papasok po dun carbohydrates, protein, and fats. So, carbohydrates, moderation, and konti lang talaga. Lagi siyang huli sa kinakain natin kasi nalilito tayo kung ano yung kakainin natin. And then, we can eat first vegetable or probiotic any kind like kefirs, achara, pickles or kimchi, yan. And then, yung mga salad natin. Then, yung our protein. Because the protein is amino acid and muscle blocks and antibodies and the fats. We need to know good fat. Ang mga good fat is from the taba po ng meat. That is fatty acid. Magko-combine po yun kasi nandun po ang vitamin A, D, E, K, and we get all nutrition there. Then, kapag actually, if you are, we need protein a day, minimum 75 grams a day. So, like almost half kilo. Kung matangkad ka pa, mas marami-raming protein. So we get that is the goal if you want when you are 60, 70, 80, 90, your strength because the protein, the meat is the muscle blocks. Siya po yung nag-firm para hindi po tayo nagma-muscle waste pagtanda natin. That is our deposit for the future. The goal is we are risk for any cancer or stroke. Lalo na ngayon, maraming tataas ng blood pressure and we need to address this one because in Philippines they have 7 million CDK and we need to address this knowledge about um, how to natural healing. We have healing on the body. Trabaho nila po, nila organ na mag-heal sila naturally pero if-feed natin kung ano sila. Example, like a flower, they need to put water or something sun, di ba? And we have what you call this, meron din sa katawan natin. Merong yung mga guts natin, ang kailangan nila is probiotic, vegetable, fiber, and other magnesium and potassium. Direct po yun sa mitochondria. And also, salt, the electrolyte. Yun po. Kasi nga pag umiihi tayo, naglalabas tayo ng electrolyte. So, mag-feed po tayo. 1 liter of water with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar. And that's it. And you can add some lemon or chia seed or basil seed. Basil seed also is the good food for guts. No, example, like my client now, she have too much weight, 100 kilos, and she's only 17 years old and nangingitim. And this is the sign na mataas ang insulin mo. Nagsasign po siya like uh, pre-diabetic, no, that you don't know. Then you need to low only the insulin. The insulin nanggagaling po sa high carb. So that is moderation. And we need to address din po na si liver, ang pagkain niya is some food that have glutathione. And for the vegetable na may glutathione po is broccoli, cauliflower, onion, and garlic. Pagkain po siya ni liver. Then, pag finifeed mo sila, of course, your good skin, good nails, good hair. Our hair, they have amino acid, and amino acid came from protein. Yeah. And then, that's it. If you get half kilo a day meat, get your nutrition and your hindi ka magko-constipation kasi you get the food nutrient of the body. Yung poop mo, konti if you are low carb, no, or liberal low carb or keto diet. Kasi na-absorb mo lahat, konti lang yung poop mo. Sorry po sa mga kumakain and I just want to know this. So, kasi ma-address dyan yung colon cancer, yung mga bloated. Bloated po is high in dairy food and vegetable. So, be careful po kasi not essential po ang vegetable and fruits. And we are carnivore. So, more high protein and high fiber po tayo para gumaling po yung mga disease natin like maintenance, insulin, and you need to know our low carb doctors. Sila po mag-guide sa atin. Thank you for Dr. Irish, Dr. Rojo, and other doctor. Also, international doctor, Dr. Pradeep, and Dr. Burge. Yan po. Sila Barbara. And thank you. Thank you. Ang dami ko pong natutunan sa inyo. And look carb link about what your disease. Kasi nandoon na po lahat sa YouTube. And be careful po sa mga you can eat what you want. Basta nasa list po siya ng low carb. Lalo na doon po, strictly low carb po tayo pag may naka-maintenance or may disease na or may cancer na, may tumor na. Kasi gumaling po ako and 7 weeks nag-heal po ang body ko for autophagy to activate the ketones of the body mag-activate for a fat adaptation ang ketones of the high protein and high fat po. Yun po yung ketone adaptation. Then your body will be self-healing for autophagy. That is stem cell. We need to know this kasi libre lang po ito at tinuturo po ito, and you need to understand, listen to your body. And that's it. Have a nice day and happy holiday to everyone. Stay low carb. Bye. See you again for more info.